Congress party on June 11th announced that it will challenge the rejection of Meenakshi Natarajan Rajya Sabha nomination both legally and politically, while also declaring plans for a nationwide agitation over inflation, the NEET question paper leak and the CBSE On-screen Marking controversy. The decision was taken during a 3-hour meeting of the party's top leadership, which was attended by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Venugopal, Jairam Ramesh, Bhupesh Baghel and several state unit chiefs. According to party sources, the proposed agitation is likely to begin later this month and continue for a duration of 2 to 3 months. Addressing a press conference, Venugopal described the rejection of Meenakshi Natarajan's nomination in Madhya Pradesh as seat chori, which means seat theft, and alleged that election authorities were following double standards. He pointed to a case in Jharkhand. According to him, a BJP-backed candidate's nomination was accepted despite incomplete documentation. He said the situation reflects what he termed the pathetic condition of Indian democracy and added that the Congress will pursue the matter both politically and legally. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge said inflation, unemployment, examination-related scandals and increasing social inequality are major challenges that the country is facing. Referring to the NEET paper leak and other issues in the education system, he said that the trust of millions of students and parents has been severely affected. Kharge also stated that Rahul Gandhi had personally met affected students and youth and strongly raised their concerns at the national level. He accused the government of weakening democratic institutions and said the Congress party's responsibility goes beyond political opposition to the protection of the constitution. Rahul Gandhi emphasized that if any party is not breaking down ideologically, it is the Congress, and added that if there is any party capable of fighting the RSS and BJP, it is the Congress. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.